apple, shiny and red, a crunchy fruit for kids to be fed. B is for bench where people rest, a simple seat that works the best. C is for camel, hum so high, walking slowly under the sky. D is for domino, dots in a row, tip one over, watch them go. E is for envelope, holding a note, letters inside someone wrote. F is for flamingo, pink and tall, balancing on one leg most of us. G is for guitar, strumming a tune, music plays morning or noon. H is for haymock, swinging slow, resting easy where breezes blow. I is for igloo, built in snow, a frosty house with a glow. J is for jacket, zipped up tight, keeps you warm through the night. K is for kite, flying free, colors dancing for all to see. L is for lighthouse, shining bright, guiding ships with beams of light. M is for mug, filled with tea, shared at home with family. N is for net, catching a ball or fish that swim big and small. O is for ostrich, running fast, speeding by until it's past. P is for puzzle, piece by piece, fit them together for joy and peace. Q is for quilt, patchwork warm, soft and safe through any storm. R is for robot, shiny and strong, working hard all day long. S is for slide, down you go, children laughing in a row. T is for tractor, pulling hay, helping farmers every day. U is for umbrella, stopping rain, keeps you dry again and again. V is for violin, music sweet, songs to dance on your feet. W is for wagon, rolling away, carrying toys for play. X is for xylophone, rainbow sound, tapping notes up and down. Yeah. Y is for yo-yo, spinning tight, up and down with delight. Z is for zebra, black and white, running stripes in morning light. That was the ABC Discovery Friends song. Wow.